This CBO report definitely worse than expected for Republicans who are pushing the health care bill up on Capitol Hill. There was a reaction here from the Trump White House yesterday as well once the numbers came out. Let me give you some of the headline findings here of what the CBO put out last night. They said in terms of the deficit, this bill is going to be pretty good. They said that the bill would cut the deficit by $337 billion over 10 years. But they also found that 24 million more people would be uninsured by 2026, and that is a politically very challenging number. They found that average premiums will increase by 15 to 20% in the coming 2 years, although they'll decline by about 10% over time, but there will be a sharp rate increase in the early years. For Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats up on Capitol Hill, that simply wasn't good enough. Here's what she said.
They're taking 24 million people, pushing them off their coverage. And as they do so, they are implementing the biggest transfer of wealth in our history, $600 billion. In terms of insurance coverage, it's immoral. In terms of giving money to the rich at the expense of working families, it is indecent and wrong.
Now, Tom Price, the Secretary of Health and Human Services, said yesterday here at the White House that the Trump White House simply disagrees with the CBO. Here's what he said.
I think it's important that we ask the question, compared to what? And the fact of the matter is that this is about real people. It's about real people's lives. It's about the coverage, the health coverage that they have, but the health care that they receive. And the fact of the matter is that right now, current law, we've got individuals who have health coverage but no health care.
And guys, Goldman Sachs was out with a note overnight. Their analysis is that this CBO report is going to make this bill harder to pass up on Capitol Hill, and they suspect that it will need some significant changes before it does pass, particularly considering that there are those Senate moderates waiting, even if the bill does pass in the House of Representatives.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.